Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. Today is day 8 and it was a pretty long day. As you can see from the lighting and the time I did this workout late into the night. I was busy during the day. I was working all day and I had errands to run, so just chucked in a quick session before dinner came. So in Sydney, we're still in lockdown at the moment, so couldn't really go out to get food, so we ordered in, so it's all been good. Yeah, so today, just working on my back, so a little bit of pull-ups, again, focusing on the mind-muscle connection. Superset that, no, not really superset, the next set was underhand pull-downs, so simulating a lat pull-down. Again, I'm alternating overhand pull-ups with underhand pull-downs just so my elbows don't end up with imbalances. And I have had a history of elbow, I would call it radial head instability from too much pronated pushing and pulling compared to underhand pushing and pulling. So I like to balance it now through my program. And then I just finished off the workout with a quick shoulder complex, so some lateral raises and some bent over rear delt flies. So really quick workout, probably 20 minutes total. I stopped when the Uber guy came with food, so yeah, priorities, but at least I got something in, and I'm recording this the next day and I was pretty sore. So hope you guys are having a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.